BS 9999 states that the threshold of a fire and smoke door should not exceed 3 mm at any point. A smoke seal should be fitted at the threshold if the gap exceeds this. Extensive research has proven that an unsealed threshold presents a major cold smoke hazard. It is difficult to know before a door is installed what the gap size will be, so we always recommend fitting a threshold smoke seal. Lorient manufactures a range of automatic drop seals that fit into the bottom of the door and drop down automatically when the door closes to form a firm seal. Threshold seals provide acoustic and thermal containment, as well as cold smoke protection. We recommend using threshold plates to provide a firm and effective sealing surface for the drop seals to rest against, while also covering the join between different flooring materials.